Lord Buddha once said, "The life of mortals in this world is troubled and brief and combined with pain, for there is not any means by which those that have been born can avoid dying. After reaching old age there is death, of such a nature are living beings. As ripe fruits are early in danger of falling, so mortals when born are always in danger of death. As all earthen vessels made by the potter end in being broken, so is the life of mortals, both young and adult, both those who are fools and those who are wise, all fall into the power of death. All are subject to the death." Tangdut, who was a prince, gave up his earthly pleasures and wandered for 7 years in search of wisdom and truth. Finally he sat down under a fig tree where he vowed to stay until enlightenment came. Enlightened after 7 days, he renamed the tree the Bo tree. Bo tree means the tree of wisdom. He became known as the Buddha, which means enlightened or the awakened. He began to teach and to share his new understanding. He gave his first sermon at Banaras. His first sermon at Banaras reflects his wisdom about one inscrutable kind of suffering, death. Here the Buddha tells about the universality of death, which is inevitable and cannot be escaped. Once the only son of Kisa Gautami died. She wanted him to be alive. On someone's advice, she approached Buddha with a request to give her a medicine so that her only son could be alive again. After a deep thought, the Buddha asked her to bring a handful of mustard seed. She went from house to house. The mustard seed should be from that house where no one had died. Kisa Gautami went from door to door to get the mustard seed. She found mustard seed in every home, but she could not find a house where nobody has died. Now she realized that death is common to all. Kisa Gautami became weary and hopeless and sat down at the wayside watching the lights of the city as they flickered up and were extinguished again. At last the darkness spread and she considered the fate of men, that their lives flicker up and are extinguished again, and she thought to herself, "How selfish am I in my grief? Death is common to all, yet in this valley of desolation there is a path that leads him to immortality who has surrendered all selfishness."